Hey folks, are you ready to become the ultimate survivalist? Today, I'm going to share with you the top 5 survival shelters you can build in just 24 hours. Whether you're stuck in the wilderness or just want to practice your skills, these shelters will keep you safe and sound. Let's jump right in. First up, we have the lean-to shelter. This classic shelter is super easy to build and requires minimal materials. All you need is a sturdy branch propped up against a tree or a rock, then lean smaller branches against the main branch to create a sloped roof. Cover it with leaves, pine needles, or any natural debris for insulation. Easy peasy. Next, the debris hut. This one's great for colder weather. Start by making a ridgepole between 2 trees and then lean sticks against it to form an A-frame. Pile leaves and debris on top and around the sides for insulation, leaving a small opening for an entrance. This shelter traps body heat and keeps you warm through the night. Third on the list is the A-frame shelter. This one's perfect if you have a tarp or poncho. Simply tie a rope between 2 trees and drape your tarp over it, securing the edges with rocks or logs. If you don't have a tarp, you can use branches and large leaves to create a similar structure. Quick and effective. Fourth, we have the tarp tent. It's versatile and great for all weather conditions. If you've got a tarp and some paracord, you're golden. Tie the corners of the tarp to trees or stakes, pulling it tight to create a tent shape. Adjust the height and angle based on the weather to ensure maximum protection. And finally, the snow cave. If you're in a snowy environment, this can be a lifesaver. Find a snowbank and dig into it, creating a tunnel that opens up into a small chamber. Make sure to dig an air hole at the top for ventilation. Snow caves are excellent at trapping heat and keeping you insulated. So there you have it, folks. 5 quick and easy survival shelters you can build in under 24 hours. Remember, practice makes perfect, so get out there and test your skills. And always be prepared for any situation. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more survival tips and tricks. Stay safe and happy adventuring. Catch you in the next one.